Okay, upgrading to Windows 11. Do you want to do it? If so, welcome to ITP, IT Performance. We can help you upgrade to Windows 11 in this video. Part 1. Buy a new computer with Windows 11 pre-installed. This is the easiest but most expensive option, but you may not have the money or your hardware is new enough, so you want to use what you already use, or your hardware is new enough, so you want to use what you already have. Ooh, there you go. So you can do one of the other options. For all of the next three options, it is best to make sure your system can currently run Windows 11. That's okay. In the Windows Update, you should be seeing the following. If Windows Update shows this PC can run Windows 11, have at it. Also, there is an file which I'll take you through in part 3, where it will double check that your computer's okay. Okay, part 2, let Windows Update do it. This is the easiest but potentially the longest to achieve. Simply wait until Windows Update gives you the option to upgrade to Windows 11. This will be rolled out from now until partway through next year, so be prepared to wait. Part 3 and 4 are where you just can't wait. I must have it now, like me. I have done it. I'll be honest, I've done it. Okay, for both parts 3 and 4, you must go to the below website. Well, you don't have to, but it's the easiest way. So go to the below website. I'll also include it in the description. And from there, do the following. Part 3. Part 3, Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Before you begin, check everything in the Before you begin section. If you're all good, then click the Download Now button. Download and run the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. The first part will be to run the PC Health Check app. If you've not already run it, click the link which will take you to a Microsoft web page. Click the Download PC Health Check app and then install and run it. Note, if you're logging in with a local account, not a Microsoft account, ignore the Attention Required and Sign In button. Click the Check Now button. As long as your computer is okay, you will receive the This PC meets Windows 11 requirements pop-up. Close the pop-up, close the Health Check app, and go back to the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Now click the Refresh button, and this will automatically take you to the License Acceptance window. Just click Accept and Install. Now wait until the installer is ready to reboot your computer. Once the installer is ready to reboot your computer, you have 30 minutes to finish any work before your computer will automatically be rebooted by the installer. Or if you're ready, you can just click the Restart Now button. Windows 11 will finish the upgrade and reboot any number of times it needs in order to complete the upgrade. And there you have it, Windows 11. Here is the folder that I put on my desktop before the upgrade, and the 2 downloaded files are still in the downloads folder, and the NVIDIA drivers for the video card is still installed. Next is using the downloaded ISO file. Part 4. I would recommend a minimum of 40 gigabytes of free space on your C drive for this option, unless you can put the ISO file and extracted files on, which are about 10 gigabytes on another disk. Back to the download Windows 11 page. By the way, if you've got Windows 7, you can upgrade to Windows 10 for free using the same method if you've got a Windows 10 ISO file. Scroll down to the Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO section. Again, you have a Before You Begin section. Just check that out if you feel you need to. The ISO upgrade option does not require the download and installation of the PC Health app. Just ignore the installation instructions and click the download button. If you have the Before You Begin section expanded, the page will automatically scroll back up to the start of the Before You Begin section. So you can choose the Windows download version, which is only Windows 11. So you can just collapse the Before You Begin section. Click and leave the download button with a red border, and then choose the language for the Windows version you want to download, and then click the confirm button. Now a 64-bit download button will show. Click that and wait for the file to download. While waiting for this to finish, or after it's finished, you'll need to download and install WinRAR if you don't already have it installed. While installing WinRAR, choose the ISO option during the setup phase. Once the Windows ISO is downloaded, close all your windows and then browse to your downloads in File Explorer. Right-click the Windows 11 English x64 file, if that's what language you chose, and choose Extract to Windows 11 English x64. This will extract all the setup files from the ISO to a folder of that name. Once finished, open the folder and double-click Setup. Click Yes to allow changes to the device. Click Change How Setup Downloads Updates. I always choose Not Right Now, as you can download the updates after the installation, and this will speed up the initial part of the installs. Click Next. Accept the license. At the Ready to Install window, you have more options. Click Change What to Keep. For a fully fresh install, choose Nothing. All your old files and folders will be copied to a folder within a new Windows Old folder. Keep Personal Files Only keeps all your files but gives a fresh install of the OS with no migrated drivers. I'm going to choose Keep Everything and then click Next. After clicking Install, Windows will go into an install mode and you'll not be able to close any files that you currently have open, so close them now. Now click Install. Windows 11 will install and automatically restart as needed. And done. You will see files and folders and apps from before the upgrade are still there, if you chose that option. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope it's been helpful. Don't hesitate to leave comments and questions, and see me next time. Okay, cheers. Bye.